you have enough and active subscribers on your channel. Also, your video have a good quality and very useful content, but one of your video not having views, you must check this setting before doing anything. So keep watch this full video till the end, because this video is very important for all YouTube creators. Whenever you upload videos on your channel, you must check this setting, because unable to change this setting after uploading. So be careful. I'll show you what is this setting. You see here, publish to subscription feed and notify subscribers. I am not click the checkbox nearby the text only, but that checkbox automatically the tick was removed. If you wrongly doing this setting, your subscribers not getting notification for the particular video. So be careful. Whenever you click next on the uploading section, you must check this setting is ticked or unticked. So this setting is very important, so keep it in mind. Always check this setting is selected or not. I think this video is very helpful to you, so don't forget to like this video and share this video to new YouTubers, and subscribe the channel now to get more help from me, and comment below what are the topics you want to know.